Hey, what's up, guys? Today, I'm diving into the world of ChatGPT, OpenAI's game-changing language model. Whether you're a seasoned tech geek or just curious about AI, I'm here to break down all the amazing features ChatGPT has to offer. First up, let's talk about its conversational prowess. ChatGPT can carry on a conversation with you just like a human. It's great for anything from casual chats to deep discussions. Imagine having an AI that can help you brainstorm ideas, offer writing suggestions, or even provide emotional support. That's pretty cool, right? One of the standout features is its ability to generate creative content. Whether you need a poem, a story, or even a script for your next YouTube video, ChatGPT has got you covered. It's like having a creative assistant at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT also excels in coding assistance. Struggling with a pesky bug in your code? Just ask ChatGPT for help. It can provide code snippets, troubleshoot errors, and even explain complex programming concepts in simple terms. As a tech enthusiast, this feature is a game changer. Another awesome feature is its ability to understand and process different languages. So, if you're working on a multilingual project or just trying to learn a new language, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool. It can translate text, help you practice conversations, and even correct your grammar. Now, let's talk about customization. You can fine-tune ChatGPT to suit your specific needs by providing it with custom instructions. This means you can create a personalized AI assistant that understands your preferences and style. How cool is that? And finally, let's not forget about its integration capabilities. ChatGPT can be integrated into various applications, making it a versatile tool for developers. Whether it's for customer service, content creation, or just adding a conversational layer to your app, the possibilities are endless. So, there you have it. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot, it's a multifunctional AI powerhouse. From generating creative content to helping with coding and language learning, its features are designed to make your life easier and more fun. If you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. Catch you in the next one.